The story from the project. Innocent black man. Let me be clear. Damn, man. The story from the project. Innocent black man.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Small Account Challenge. Today is day number 142. What can I say, y'all? Sometimes the market moves at a molasses pace. It's not much energy, so all you can do is sit on your hands and wait. I only got into 2 trades today, made some chump change, and we was out the door. And I'm saying exactly how we pulled off our little chump change in today's midday market recap. People who have subscribed to this channel have asked me, do I give training for these small account stuff? And I'm going to be starting that. First, I need to see if there's real interest in it. So in the comment section below, put the word interested, and then I know if people are really interested, because I know there are traders who don't have a lot of money and they would like to learn how to grow their small amount of money into a large amount of money and then take it on their own. Like I said in the intro, y'all, wasn't much happening today, so we ain't do too much. Only got into 2 trades. Came out on top. All right, the first trade, let's pull the charts up. The first trade was at 9:45. Really had to wait for this one because the way the market was playing, it was kind of slow. Anyway, the candle that starts the market at 9:30 is a red candle. The very next candle opens up 30, closes at 35. We get a squeeze up heavy. Very, 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 very strong squeeze up. On that candle, we do make a lower wick. So I set my lower key level on that one. But there was no upper wick. So I had to wait for the candle to close to see what the next candle does. The very next candle opens up 35, closes at 40. We do get an upper wick. And that's when I set the upper key level. So now I got my lower key level and my upper key level. And until the price gets above that, below that, no trades for me. But the price was moving very, very slow today. So I had to sit on my hands. The very next candle opens up 40, closes at 45. We finally break through the lower key level. It closes at 45 below the lower key level. I jump in right as it closes, and I ride this next candle down for 2 minutes for our first green trade of the day and our second to last green trade of the day, pretty much, because all we had was 2 trades. So anyway, I'll take it. On to the next one. All right, this one was at 9:51 to the upside. All right, cool. I noticed on that previous candle, he was coming down to the 200-day moving average. And I told you before, that acts like a good line of support. So I wasn't going to trade past that. We get a low wick on that previous candle. So now I know we're going back up. As the candle closed at 9:50, I jumped into the upside at 9:51 on this next candle. I ride this bad boy all the way to 9:52 and get on out for a second green trade. And now, why were there no more trades? Well, the 200 became my second lower key level, and the upper key level, in the first lower key level, now became the range. So until the stock get above or below that, I wasn't going to trade. And as you can see, on 55, at 10 o'clock, 10:05, 10:10, 10:15, 10:20, 10:25, 10:30, 10:35, 10:40, all of these candles, it remains between the 200 and my first lower key level. So no trade. And by that time, I said, you know what? It's time to get out the door. And that's how we finished it up. You can see it there. Listen, sometimes that's how it is. Sometimes you just got to sit on your hands and don't force it. Like I said, tomorrow is another day. Like my first day trader mentor said, tomorrow is another day. All right, y'all. We'll be back at this tomorrow for day number 143. All right, y'all. Peace.